Previous year questions. So previous year questions are useful to obtain good marks in the board exams. So today let us solve some of the previous year questions which is asked in the Karnataka PU board annual exams on the chapter Determinants. So first question, if A is equals to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, find determinant of 2A. So this is the 1 mark question, so which is asked in March 2014 as well as July 2014. So let us solve this problem. Solution. So given matrix A is given, we have to find determinant 2A. So first we compute the value of 2A. So 2A is equals to 2 times A. Here given A value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is equals to, so we have to multiply each element of this matrix by the scalar 2. If you multiply 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2 becomes 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8. So this is the value of 2A. Therefore, determinant of 2A is equals to determinant of 2, 4, 6, 8. So if you expand the determinant, so 2 into 8 minus 4 into 6. So that is equals to 2 into 8 becomes 16 minus 4 into 6 becomes 24. So 16 minus 24, that is minus 8. So the value of determinant 2A is equals to minus 8. So let us solve another question. Find the values of x for which determinant 3x x1 is equals to determinant 3 2 4 1. So this is the 1 mark question which is asked in March 2015, July 2017, March 2019 as well as July 2019. So let us see the solution. So given determinant of 3x x1 is equals to determinant of 3 2 4 1. So implies, so if you expand this determinant, that is 3 into 1 minus x into x is equals to, again expand the determinant in the RHS, that is 3 into 1 minus 2 into 4. On simplifying, 3 into 1 becomes 3 minus x into x becomes x square is equals to, again 3 into 1 becomes 3 minus 2 into 4 becomes 8, or 3 minus x square is equals to 3 minus 8 becomes minus 5. take minus 5 to LHS and minus x square to RHS. So that is 3 plus 5 is equals to x square. So 8 is equals to x square, or x is equals to plus or minus root 8. So next question, find the value of x if determinant x to 18x is equals to determinant 6 to 18 6. So this is the 1 mark question which is asked in March 2016, July 2018 as well as March 2020. So let us solve this problem. So given determinant of x to 18x is equals to determinant 6 to 18 6. So on expanding, so x into x minus 2 into 18 is equals to 6 into 6 minus 2 into 18. So simplify this one, x into x becomes x square minus 2 into 18, that is 36, is equals to 6 into 6, 36 minus 2 into 18, that is 36. So implies x square minus 36 is equals to 36 minus 36 becomes 0, or x square is equals to 36, or x is equals to, so taking root on both sides, so we will get plus or minus 6. So next question, find the value of x for which determinant 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to determinant x 3 to x 5. So this is asked in July 2016. It is also 1 mark question. So let us solve this problem. Solution. So given determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to determinant of x 3 to x 5. So expand the determinant on both sides. If we expand the determinant on left side, so that is 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4 is equals to, in the RHS, x into 5 minus 3 into 2x. So that is 2 into 5 becomes 10 minus 3 into 4, 12. That is equals to x into 5. 5x minus 3 into 2x. That is 6x. So 10 minus 12 minus 2 is equals to 5x minus 6x, that is minus x, or cancelling minus on both sides, we get 2 is equals to x.